Hello, I'm Barney. I'm a graphic designer and I specialise in brand packaging. I have worked for over 20 years in London for many leading design agencies and have been fortunate enough to work on some very big name brands and see them appear on the shelves of UK retailers. I also run my own company, Bright Green Brands, where I try and help more ethical, environmentally aware organisations with brand design work, but also my own food photography and illustration. This class should be helpful to existing graphic designers who want to know more about the brand packaging design process and maybe add this to their list of services they can offer to their clients, or to students who feel that brand packaging hasn't been covered on their course as much as they'd like it to and like to know a little bit more and see if it's right for them, or possibly other creatives, for example illustrators who would love to create their own range of products but just don't know enough about it. Working direct for my own clients has been a great opportunity to be involved in the whole process of creating and nurturing a brand from start to finish, and has given me great insight into everything that is involved from my side and from their side. And I've been lucky enough to see my clients achieve their goals of getting their brand onto the shelves of some very well-known high-end retailers in the UK, such as Harrods, Fortnum & Mason, Selfridges, Waitrose. So I'm going to pick one of these rebranding projects and walk you through the creative process from start to finish, which I hope will give you a great idea of what is involved in a brand packaging design job. This will be more of a guide through the process rather than a hands-on class. However, you do have the option, if you feel confident and comfortable doing it, to either take the project that I've done and put your own spin on it, go through each process and create what you would come up with, or take a completely different name and project and see what you come up with for each different stage. In following classes I shall break down each process and we'll look at each stage as a separate class project and work on them together, and you can comment on each other's work and I'll add my comments and suggestions and we'll get a bit more involved. So I hope you enjoy the class and it gives you a much clearer idea of what is involved in brand packaging design.